So Girls Build inspires curiosity and confidence in girls through the world of building. What we're doing here today is one of our week-long summer camps, which is 40 hours of building.
They get kind of a first-hand look at a main break and some of the things that we do.
They just start trying different things. They're failing, which is amazing, and then they're working on it, and then they do it again and again and again. And I think they take the attitude when they grow up, and even just like, in their lives, they realize that it's okay to try something even if you're not going to be perfect at it the first time. And I think that just opens up a lot of doors.
It's just great seeing that more women are actually interested in even trying to do it instead of before where they just, yeah, there's no way I could do that. That's more of a guy's field.
The Water Bureau has consistently been part of camp. They've traveled with us to when we go to other places in Oregon. They're really all about recruiting and helping our campers see this career path and know that it can be a fun and joyful and living wage career path. So they've been an integral part of Girls Build for sure.